When your why is stronger than you find a way, we must be prepared.
Wasting water does nothing for you. You're fighting the active issue, not preventative. All right? You can't put enough water on with a garden hose.
So just go after hot spots and embers and
Get out there and be vigilant. Look at them. If there's two of you, one in the front, one in the back. One of the things that Sherwin's doing now, he wants to put together some fire response team up in the parks. All right? This is one of my 2 packs of fire response equipment. All right? There's 400 feet of hose in here. There's a split valve. There's 2 nozzles. Okay? And a hydrant wrench. That's what you need for a fire hose kit. You have to look at how far your hydrant is, all right? You need to go from hydrant to hydrant. That's how much hose you need, all right? Now, Sherwin says you have 14 fire hydrants in Summit Park, 14. As CERT teaches you, you always deploy in pairs, 2 people, all right? For you to have 14 hydrants covered, you need 28 people and 14 sets of these. Focused on your home first. Secondly, your community. Third, your larger community, expansion, okay? Be prepared. That fire's coming, turn your car around in your driveway.
The outcome is for all of us to be prepared and ready in case an emergency happens. These are a few simple things we can do to be prepared.
Being prepared to move is important. If your park goes up and houses are starting to burn, leave. It's too late. You can't get ahead of it. If it gets into the homes, run. You can't stop it. The goal is to not let it get into the homes, but once it's in, leave.
An ounce of prevention is worth a pound of cure. Be prepared. Thank you.